I just made over 15,000 profit in one day based on the strong fundamentals. I've made couple of withdrawals from my multiple funded accounts and some are still pending for withdrawal. Make sure to stay until the end of the video so you don't miss out the next big opportunity when it presents to you. So today we're going to talk about the three key fundamentals that affect the gold markets directly and indirectly. Before that, I just want to say that I'm not a financial expert or a fundamental expert. This is just what I learned along the way when I'm collecting data, and it does help me towards my trading journey. So let's start with the trade that I took on previous Monday and what is the reasons and fundamentals behind the buy that I took. So this is the Monday spike up on daily point of view, and after that was a huge spike down on Tuesday that I did not grab this particular downtrend because I was not aware of the other fundamentals that kick in. When Friday closures, we can see a big spike up on gold right here, indicating a strong bullish momentum. And the key fundamental right here is war happening. We have previously Ukraine-Russia war spiked gold price up, and we also have Israel-Hamas war that spiked gold up. During this particular Friday, we have a new conflict, which is the US-Yemen on the Red Sea side, and caused gold to spike up rapidly on Friday. So when market closed on Saturday, Sunday, right, I was taking note of what is the new war news that's coming out during the weekend, because when market close on the weekend and there's still news coming in the weekend, it might give a spike up during the market open, even though that particular Monday was US bank holiday. If it were to be a normal market open day, it might have more volume to the upside. So during the market open, we can see a particular gap down, alright, on the first candlestick right here, and price just spiked up 100 pips to the upside. And I actually had a trade that's running over 10,000 profit that I did not secure because I was actually expecting for more, but unfortunately I held through the trade until Tuesday, and Tuesday there's another different fundamentals that bring goals down, and I ended up being profited with 10k on that running trade and dropped back to 2k. But along the way, I secured quite a few positions when the price pushing up. That's the last positions that I'm trying to secure, but I didn't secure on the top. Historically, when any war happens or any new potential conflicts between countries and there's weapons, missile involved that causing a potential war to happen, historically it just means that gold will be a safe haven for investor or institutions. Previously, we have Ukraine-Russian war, and the Russian currency dropped very much during the war, but gold spiked up pretty much a lot. When the war is accelerating, we can say that the gold price gonna be accelerating as well. Now, the most significant war news between these 2 years is gonna be the Russian-Ukraine war, and recently the Israel-Hamas war, and also we have a small conflict from US-Yemen, and it did not accelerated at this point. So when the war is decelerated, means the war is slowing down, right? They are trying to cease fire in this case. So when they stop the war, that's where gold will actually eventually go down as well, along with other confirmations or confluence with the fundamentals or the dollar strength. Now, the second key fundamental is gonna be dollar strength. Of course, everyone know that DXY, the dollar index, gonna be correlated with gold. So whenever DXY is going strong, actually gold is going weak, but not most of the time. There's certain time that both are actually going up together or going down together. And what are the others key fundamentals to affect dollar right here? The first thing that I thought of is gonna be interest rate. So when interest rate increase, more likely gold should be going down, right? But that's not 100% because you need to check out what is the other fundamentals or other confluence that affecting gold. And one thing about gold is historically going up in terms of long period of time. So with that said, if 2024 the Fed mentions they're going to do interest rate cuts at least 2 times this year, right, based on different quarter, it means that there's high potential chance, right, for gold to actually spike up even more if the potential interest rate cut happen. There's also many other fundamental news that affect the dollar strength, like what I mentioned just now, the fundamentals that I missed out after the Monday buy, and even a bigger drops after the buy that I did is this particular drop based on the US Treasury yield increase. So it increased the dollar strength a lot. So gold drop as US dollar strength increased a lot on that particular day. Now the third key fundamentals for gold is gonna be the bank crisis. So if you guys still remember last year when the interest rate increased, indirectly it causes few of the banks collapse. But when we talk about fundamentals, when the interest rate increase, gold should actually go down. But in this case is opposite because the interest rate increase causing the bank crisis. When a bank bankrupt, it causes fear factors for investor or institutions to look at gold because again, gold is a natural safe haven. They call it the God's money right here. So whenever there's any bank crisis, gold will eventually go up as well. What are the other fundamentals that you know that affect gold strongly? Feel free to comment down in the chat as well and let me know what's your thought about it. So that's about it for today's video, and always remember, trade with the right mindset.